Yeah, I'm sure the angle is bad, but well, I did order a holder for my iPhone so I can put it on tripods. My last holder on from my selfie stick broke, so now I've got to put my phone up, lean it up against stuff. So anyway, this is an update on Les Waller International. I'm really getting aggressive on my channels. What I mean by that is, this channel now will only be travel and how-to videos, and maybe personal stuff that I do. I have made a separate channel that will be for eating and drinking, like, trying different foods in Europe, trying different beers and stuff like that. That will be on a separate channel. I'll put a link in the description below. But right now it's not populated. There's nothing on it. I've been buying beer and drinks and stuff like that I will taste and try out. But I want to make a channel dedicated to drinking and eating. And this channel will be travel and how-tos. I have also made a channel on workout for beginners without equipment. That channel will be dedicated to exercising at home, no equipment, full body workouts, all beginner stuff. If you're a fat old man, fat old woman, out of shape kid, doesn't matter. Start with me at ground zero. We'll work our way up. And then when we graduate from my highest level, then you can go on to some of these other YouTubers that are super studs and stuff like that. But I want to be fit for life, but that's different channel. So anyway, there is an exercise channel. We do already have videos there. We're putting the content up there now. We also have Financial Independence Now, which is all about earning money from home, making money online and stuff like that. There's that channel. And there, of course, my gaming channel, wallerdog.com, Wallerdog Gaming, that's another channel. Igor is still there. We will start adding content to that before the end of the year. Have I missed any channels? I know I've got like 6 or 7 channels now. Okay, Les Waller International, Wallerdog, Igor, Financial Independence Now, I forgot what the name of it is. Workout at Home Without Equipment. Oh, Les Waller Workouts. Les Waller Workouts. Oktoberfest is the drinking channel. So that's 6. I think that's it. Was Financial Independence there? I think that's it. But anyway, this is the update for this channel. So travel, how-tos, life in general, I suppose, be here. Don't forget, I also have a Twitter account. I have an Instagram account. I do not have a dedicated Facebook page, but I do have. So this stuff will go to my main Facebook account. I'm not making a separate page for me. And of course, my LinkedIn account, I kind of do a little bit of everything, but if I think it's something that's not really going to be good for business, then I may not put it on my LinkedIn page. So there's all sorts of ways to follow me. I think my drinking channel, I will make a TikTok account for that too. I want to make it funny. So I guess that's all I've got. If you've been wondering where I've been, what I've been doing, I am stockpiling drinks and stuff like that. So we'll get that thing started, but it's not monetized, so it's not important. I mean, the only channel I have that's monetized is my gaming channel, and that has about 5% of my interest right now. I'm more interested in pursuing my affiliate marketing and making money online. So if you notice in the description of any of my videos that I point to things, that's why. I'm trying to earn money through residual income, through affiliate marketing and stuff like that. I do that in these videos all the time as well. So if you do remember that, and when you look at a video, look in the description. I mean, no, take a look to see what I'm pointing at, and do some window shopping on Amazon or wherever the heck I'm asking you to go. Doesn't hurt. Or if nothing else, go to my web pages. I know some of you guys like to support what I'm doing. Then visit my various web pages. I'll go ahead and put all my web pages on the description of this video as well, this update video, so you can see what I've been up to and where I'm going. The idea is I'm 58, and at 62, I want to walk away from my full-time job and do affiliate marketing, online business full-time, because then I can do it anywhere. And I'd be working for me. So I'm giving myself 4 more years. We've been at this for probably 5 or 6 years. We've made some headway. We're actually making progress now. We are actually making progress, especially now that I'm going to put gaming off to the side and really push for the online business stuff. I think it's going to work. Yes, sir. So I won't keep you anymore. We won't make this a 10-minute video. It's not monetized, so it doesn't matter how long, but I don't know. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you on the next video.